wedding photo editing in Canva by blending and merging two photos inside Canva app. So let's start with it. So I'll be going to elements and let me show you the three pictures which I'll be using are these three, which first one is Eiffel Tower, next one is young wedding couple, and the third one is groom and bride together outdoors. So this photo is of the same couple as you can see in here. So the first picture which I will be using is this one, okay, and make sure you remove the background. So the background is removed. So we are making a sample background color so that we can understand the blending in a better way. And next we will be using this image as you can see in here, but as you can see the image is partly cropped out. So if you use this image, the effect will not be proper. So what to do now? We will go to edit, and after going on edit, we'll come here to magic expand and click on whole page and click on expand. So as you can see, we are finding this image to be proper. Now click on done. Okay, and after that click on BG remover. Okay, so the background is removed. Now crop out the parts which are not required. Okay, and after that go to apps and here write easy reflection. Click on create reflection, and after that make sure you select the above icon here and just increase the offset to 60 and the opacity to 100. Okay, and click on add to design. Okay, and after that remove the image, this one, and click on flip, click on vertical, and after that make the size bigger. Okay, you can just decrease the transparency a little bit. Okay, and after that just click on this image and click on layer, send to back. Okay, so this image is ready. Now crop out the parts which are not required here. Okay, and now we will just shift this image to this part and let's make it bigger. Okay, so this one is ready. Now we will go to elements again and use this Eiffel Tower background. Right click it and replace background. Okay, and after that I will go to apps here and here I will write text maker. And here select gold and here select this gelato one, and after that here I will write forever stars today. Okay, and after that for the font I will be using Oleo script. Okay, and this is the script which I will be using, and let's decrease the line height to 0.86. Okay, and after that click on add to design, and our design script is ready. Now decrease the transparency so that it looks better. Okay, and after that just increase the size of the Eiffel Tower so that it looks more prominent. Okay, and our design is ready.